We know young people thrive with support from their families and schools and by having access to community services. We're working together to start a movement that will build stronger school community partnerships, and we need your help to do it. Closing the Gap is driven by research from MCCOY and community partners in Marion County. In 2019, we asked schools what they need to support students. Through surveys, community conversations, and interviews, we learned that our community has a wealth of resources for families and youth, but we need a network connecting our youth to those resources in settings where they spend so much of their time: school. We surveyed over 350 educators, school administrators, and support staff who identified 5 challenges impacting students today: social and emotional health, trauma and violence, mental health, chronic absenteeism, social media, and internet use. These challenges are connected and they are complex. Schools are doing what they can with what they have, but a network of community partners to support our schools can address these challenges directly. Our research identified 4 key strategies that we can work towards together to build this network. Number 1, adopt whole child approaches. Adopting whole child approaches is about meeting the needs of students beyond academics. What happens outside of school has a direct impact on what happens inside the classroom. The whole child approach uses policies, practices, and relationships to make sure children are healthy, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged in their learning environments. When we see students beyond the grades they make, we're supporting all the different ways they can learn and develop, both in and out of school. Number 2, engage families through strengths-based practice. Strengths-based family engagement start with building trust by acknowledging the important role families have in a child's life. Parents and school staff can work together to support learning, development, and health of young people. Strength-based practices are about respecting differences, sharing decision-making with parents and caregivers, and honoring the expertise and contributions families bring to a child's learning. Number 3, support and strengthen community schools. The community school model organizes resources of a community around student success. This model places schools at the center of communities, transforming them into hubs where students and families can connect with coordinated programs and services. Community schools build strong partnerships with families and community resources to work together toward a shared vision of student success in and out of the classroom. Number 4, increase investment in public education. For our students and schools to reach their full potential, we need to provide the resources to support our schools. These solutions require funding, staff programs, supplies, and time. We need to seek equitable opportunities for getting these resources into all of our schools. We published the Closing the Gap report in 2021 to share these findings and strategies. But we don't want this information to sit in a report. We are building a movement to take action. It is time for our community to close the gap by creating pathway and community connections that will support students and families. It will take all of us to make this vision a reality. Young people, parents, and caregivers, community members, educators, lawmakers, and you. That's why you're here. The movement begins today.